If you're a content creator and you have never used the mask icon on CapCut app, then I wonder what you've been creating. That's actually a joke, please, but seriously, you need to start using the mask icon on CapCut app ASAP. For most persons, masking is used for cloning, twin videos, or just to break this down for you, having you in multiples on a video. Hell no, that is just the tip of what the icon does. You can have beautiful overlays with blended edges if you use the mask icon. Overlays like this one's right on your screen. Now you see the feathered edges in different shapes and angles. Yeah, in this particular video I'm going to be showing you not just how to use masking to clone, and I'll try my best to make this video as short as I can and well understood. Chisa Belinda here again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon if you love to learn and explore more about smartphone videography. Like the video, share to someone who needs it. Drop your awesome comments, maybe telling me you liked the tutorial or what next you want me to teach you. Without further ado, let's get right into the CapCut app. Hello, so I'm going to get right into the CapCut app as usual, and before we actually get in here, you must have created the videos you want to use for your to do the cloning video, the twin video. So let me show you the two videos I'll be using, this and then this. If you notice, I was on two different edges on the video, same position, phone position. Please don't forget, your phone is supposed to be on the same position. Your phone is not supposed to move. Keep it on a stand, stable. Better lighting that I did here. This is just a sample video, so I really was not paying attention to my lighting, but better lighting. So let's go. I'm going to show you. I just want to show you how to edit your masking or clone video. So we'll get right into the app like I did, the CapCut app. You go to new project, then I'll bring in my first video, which should be this video. Okay, I'll start with bringing in this video. I'll bring in the video. So this is this. Then once I bring in the video, the next I want to do is an overlay of my second video. Do an overlay, which I'll now bring in my second video. Good. That's it, guys. So once I bring in the second video, the next I want to do, make sure it fits to screen. Zoom out so it's fit to screen. Once I bring in the next video, I'll just go straight to mask. Remember, we're doing the mask, using the mask icon. I'll go straight to mask. When you click on mask, the next thing you want to do is click on the horizontal of the mask. Click on horizontal. Once you click on that, you would want to adjust it. You just turn, guys. So once you've turned it, you can move it. So now that was the reason I said you should have your phone on one particular place, so that you're having the same background. Like you're having the same background, no shift, no movement of the items on the background. So this is it. So hit the screen. Can you see that? So if you want to make it more better, we'll still go back to mask. While hitting that video, mask, you hit on the horizontal, and then you go to feather, and then that's it, to blend it in. Most times this is not even needed, but you just blend it in, and then voila, you have your video. Let's play. So as you can see, this was really easy. It was so easy, as you can see. So I want to get into the next thing I'm going to be using masking for. This was so easy. Okay, did you notice that? So if you notice that affected your screen, the best thing you're supposed to do is to, okay, let's see, it's going to affect it when I move. So all I want to do at this point is hit on it, split. So I would actually touch just the masking of this place. I'd go to mask. Let's go. This is fun, I guess. This is fun. I don't know about you, but editing videos are like, it's fun to me. It's fun. Max. So we'll move it a bit.
Let's see. Move it so you're not affecting anything whatsoever. So let's go. And everyone is happy. So that's that. So guys, that's about that. So that's about masking, cloning of your videos. Or so that's it. So most times, don't forget, arrange yourselves properly, like place yourself properly. I think I was a bit too close, that's why you see it affected it, but that's about that. That's how it's done. Very easy, just one click, you're all done. Now another thing you can do with masking is this. Let's take a photo. Let me use a photo. I can use a video, but let me just use a photo to make this really fast. Okay, I'll just use this photo. Now probably have a video and you're talking about you said something like the made of herbs, and you want to have an overlay. Instead of having your overlay boring like this, you just place it as an overlay this way. How about you do something like this? Let me show you. You go to masking, go to mask, sorry, you click on mirror, and then you pull it all out. You click on this particular icon, this particular arrow showing here, move it down, hit on it like you're moving it down. Can you see the feathers in between? Click good, and then what I'll do is increase it so it fits into the end. Now look at that. You can still see stuffs on the background, but you have this. Another thing I like to do is move it down like this to show it halfway, so the person talking is still on the background. So that's it. This is it. So do you see how better it looked? Now another thing you can also do with your overlay, let's use the same picture or add it. You go to mask again. This is really interesting. Go to mask, go to, let's use the square. So do you see, guys? I'll zoom it in, and then I'll use this icon down to put the feathers. So sometimes I use that icon there, sometimes I click on this place and feathers comes up, and I just adjust it from here myself. So let's do that. Let's try that feather, adjust it. Okay, so that is it. So do you see, do you see how it looks? The edges are feathered. The edges are feathered, guys. So this looks more better than just having the picture overlay like that. Then so, okay, there's something I also do. You hit on a picture to make it more interesting. Animations in animation, let's have something like this. So you definitely put in a sound on, you definitely put in an audio sound effect with the sound effects to it, to make it interesting. Let us have this. So listen to this. That sounds interesting, right? You can have the same thing when it gets to the next one too. So the next you want to do, just watch what I've been doing. So I'm going to show you another overlay. I have another overlay to show you. Let me just shorten this so I can make use of. So another overlay. So I'll click on it. Now this is the way I normally put my nav dark. Nav dark is always round, or whenever you want to put something else. So I'll just use nav dark because it's round already. So to see right here, I have a square picture, so I'll just add it. Now this is what mask helps me to do, to get that round shape. Zoom it out, and that is it. Very easy. Voila, you're done. Can you see that? So you can hit it to go to mask and have feathers if you wish, but for this it's not necessary. I just want to enjoy the round shape. That is it. So you can still have feathers if you wish. Zoom it in, So it's simple. So then we can also have the love shape, as you can see, and all those shapes, any one you like. Let's go there. So we have other shapes too. We have the love shape, we have star shape, we have every other shape you can think about there. So guys, this is really interesting. I mean, Like I'll always say, CapCut keeps doing the most, and we are grateful to CapCut. So guys, this should be bringing me to the end of the story. I told you I was going to make it as fast as possible. I hope.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to support my channel by liking and commenting. And even if you say thank you, this video was helpful, I mean if the video was really helpful to you. So, see you in my next video.